Said, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move.
It's Larra J and I'm back again with another video. So for today's video guys, I am going to show you how I did this Valentine's makeup look. This is very simple yet very sexy kind of a look. So if you want to know how I made this look, just please keep on watching. So let's start with our base guys, and for the primer, I already used my No Shine Mattifier from the Quick Effects. Yes, so nakapaglagay na ako ng primer guys, and now let's proceed to our foundation. And for the foundation, my current favorite and my go-to foundation is the Ordinary Serum Foundation, and I'm in the shade 2.0 YG. So I'm just going to put this all over my face, and ibe-blend ko siya using a beauty sponge. Next is I am going to conceal, and I will be using two concealers, and it's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind and the Maybelline Fit Me. So for the Instant Age Rewind, I'm in the shade medium, and for the Maybelline Fit Me, it's in the shade 20 Sun Sable. So gagamitin ko muna yung Instant Age Rewind under my eyes. And i-highlight ko na rin yung some parts ng aking face, like my nose bridge, forehead, chin. And then after that, I'm just going to use my Maybelline Fit Me para sa aking dark spots. After I blend my concealer guys, I'm just going to get a small concealer brush and lilinisin ko lang yung edges ng aking brows. To set my foundation and concealer, I am going to use my Bench Daily Spell Magic Powder in the shade Natural, yung yellow variant. Move forward with our bronzer and blush, and I'm going to use my EB Advanced Blush Duo in the shade Golden Goddess. And ito siya. Using the same bronzer guys, I'm just going to contour my nose. This is optional guys. Para sa akin, mas better lang yung precise yung ating bronzer and blush. And then, maglalagay na rin ako ulit ng powder under my eyes. para kapag may fallouts tayo mamaya sa ating eyeshadow, mabilis natin siyang matatanggal. For my eyeshadow, I will be using the Thru Squad palette from Detail Makeover. So, ito siya guys. Ayan. So, I'm going for a sexy yet simple eye makeup look. So, for the first shade, I'm just going to use this shade. This is the shade Biscuit. Ayan. I'm just going to get this shade. This is the shade Tatcha Brown. So, ilalagay ko lang siya all over my crease. I'm just going to get the shade Pecan. So, para siyang mauve na brown shade. Ayan. So, this is the shade Pecan. So, ilalagay ko lang din siya sa crease ko. So, this is in the shade Buff. So, kukunin ko lang siya. And, I'm going to put this sa outer corner and sa inner corner ng eyes ko. So, after I put the shade Buff, ayan, yung dark brown, sa inner and outer corner ng eyes ko, I'm just going to get the shade Touch Brown. Ito, yung ginamit natin for our transition shade. And, i-blend ko lang siya. Go back again with the shade Pecan. So, lalagay ko lang din siya all over my crease. So, maglalagay lang ako ng shimmer sa ating lids. And, I will be using the shade Santan. Ito. So, ito yung shade na gagamitin ko. And, imimix ko siya using this lighter shade. So, I'm just going to get a flat brush. Nilalagay ko lang siya all over our lid. I'm just going to use this shade. Ayan. This is in the shade Superior Bronze. And ilalagay ko lang siya on the center of our lids. So, para mas kumapit pa yung gagamitin nating shimmer shade, I'm just going to wet my brush. Ayan. So, after that, I'm just going to get again the shade Pecan, yung ginamit natin sa ating crease. And, ibe-blend ko lang ulit yung edges. So, magsa-stop muna ako dyan for our eye makeup. And, ida-dust off ko muna yung ating excess powder sa ating face. And after that, I'm just going to get my EB Advance Eye Define, the Waterproof Matic Eyeliner in the shade Brown. And maglalagay lang tayo sa ating waterline and sa ating tight line. to finish our eyes, I'm just going to get a pencil brush and kukunin ko yung shade na Pecan and the shade Buff for our lower lash line. And for our highlight, guys, I'm just going to use the shade Relax Khaki from the same eyeshadow palette. Ayan. So, using the same shade for our highlight, maglalagay din ako sa ating inner corners ng ating eyes. Let's proceed to our mascara, and I'm going to use two mascara. And the first one is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and the other one is from Miniso. This is their Curl Up Waterproof Mascara. So to finish our makeup, guys, for our lipstick, I'm just going to use the Careline Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Upper Hand. So I'm just going to do my hair, and I will be right back.
Bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move.
So that's it for this makeup tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe on my channel and click that notification bell beside it for you to get notified every time I will upload a new one. So that's it, guys. I will see you on my next one. Mwah.